Good morning, sixth grade. Today we're going to take a bit of a tour of WKCTC, which is a community college and technical school that's right around our corner. It's actually in the city of Paducah. And I want you to take a moment today to look through this program finder. So remember, not everything is offered at every school whenever it comes to secondary education, college and stuff after high school. So this kind of goes through the programs that you can find here in town at WKCTC, and it's pretty amazing how many different programs they have. If you plan on going to a four-year university and majoring in something, you might want to kind of draw your attention to the Associate in Arts, Associate in Science, and Associate in Fine Arts. These three here are the ones that you would get your associate degree in so that you can transfer and then go major in something at another university. But they also have a lot of other tracks. You can see air conditioning technology, automotive technology. There's just card after card after card. You have nursing assistant, nursing, practical nursing, pharmacy technology, surgical technology, visual communications. I know some of you in your careers wanted to be graphic designers. So all these different opportunities that we have here at WKCTC. So I want to show you, if I click on one of these boxes here, it'll take me to a page about that. I can watch a bit of a video here on the length of the program and all the programs that are offered there. It's kind of neat if you want to see the hands-on activities and the stuff that you'll do inside WKCTC in this area. You watch these videos, it'll give you a bit of an understanding of it. Also down here, as we go down, we can see the regional pay scale. Now, whenever you guys are looking up your jobs on the ONET career survey thing, it showed you just like national averages. This is actually based on regional pay scale. So this would be based on the region that we live in and how much you can probably make at different levels for each career that you were to look. If you scroll down a little bit more, it will show diplomas and certificates that you can achieve. You can obtain here at WKCTC. Tells you a little bit about the program, the length of it. See, this says it's a total of 60 to 67 credit hours. You guys know what credit hours are because we talked about them the other day. So for today, what I want you to do is I want you to just spend some time in here. Take about 10 minutes out of your day and just look around. See if you find some things in here that you might be interested in. Click on a few of them. Watch some videos if you'd like. Check out the pay scales on some of these different careers, and then also the different certificates and things that you can get in these career tracks at WKCTC. I want to keep it light. I don't want you to feel a lot of pressure to have to do stuff. So really, just let your interests guide you. Look at 3 or 4 of them. Just kind of see what's offered there, because tomorrow we're going to talk about an opportunity that you'll all have starting in high school that is linked to WKCTC. So spend some time on this website, click around. If you find something you're interested in, great. If you don't, that's okay. You're not going to waste too much time. So spend about 10 minutes. Just look through these. You don't have to type anything or turn anything in. But once you're done surfing this web, please click this assignment is done or turned in. And that's what you have to do for this Tuesday. Hope you have a enjoyable time skimming through here. Thanks. See y'all.